Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. And in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. I hope you guys did have a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys did have a good Christmas. And I hope you guys have a good New Year when it comes. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're gonna make plantain cake, guys. A lot of you guys never heard about plantain cake. Some of you guys maybe do. But in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So we're making plantain cake. It's a very delicious, beautiful cake we're gonna make in Selvin Kitchen. Look out for that recipe, guys. Plantain cake. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. And in Selvin Kitchen today, we are always doing something new. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're gonna bake a plantain cake. So we're gonna do we have two ripe large plantain here. What we're gonna do, we have 1 cup of white sugar, we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, we have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're gonna use 4 eggs. We have 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. We're gonna use some butter. So we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're gonna make a plantain cake, guys. This recipe is gonna be awesome. Hi guys, so the first thing we're gonna do now, we're just gonna add in some butter. We're gonna add in around 3 tablespoons of butter. So that is 2. So put in 3.5 tablespoons of butter in it. And then we're gonna add in the sugar. So 1 cup of white sugar. So now we want to get all of the butter and the sugar mixed up.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
So basically what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just adding the egg, and we'll just mix up the egg and the sugar and the butter together. We're just gonna peel the plantain. So we have 2 fried plantain, what we're gonna use today to make that plantain cake. So what we'll do is strip it, take off the skin off of it, get that skin away. So we're just gonna slice it up and cut it up small and put it in the blender. So in Selvin Kitchen today, guys, we're gonna make a delicious, tasty plantain cake. So I'm gonna do it one at a time. So now I have a cup of milk. You can use the full fat milk if you want, or the semi-skim milk, but I'm using the full fat milk, 1 cup. Put in 1/2 cup in that.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
So guys, I just blend up the 2 plantain in this. Oh, look at that, people. So that is all ready. So what I gotta do now, guys, I'm just gonna throw out the plantain when I just blend up in this. Get it all out. I'm gonna scrape out everything out of that. So now I'm just gonna add in my vanilla. Just gonna whisk it away. So I'm just blending up the plantain, the egg, the vanilla, and the butter and the sugar. I'm just mixing everything together. That's that. So now I'm just gonna add in my flour. So I'm gonna put in half of the flour at the moment. Gonna add in the baking powder. So now I ain't gonna use the mixer no more, I'm just gonna use a spoon. Remember your baking cake, guys, when you're mixing it, mix it one way. Just gotta add in a little bit more flour. You can smell that vanilla, you can smell that nutmeg. I'm gonna put in that nutmeg, cinnamon powder, gonna add in a little bit more flour in it. So we're gonna use 1 cup of flour, guys. I'm gonna use the next half cup. So I'm using 1 cup of flour. When you're mixing it, just look on the texture. Look on it, how it stay. If you want to add more flour in, yes or no, just look on the texture. That's perfect.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay.
So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna pour out some of this. Cause you already mixed up already, everything is there. So gonna pour out some of it in it. I think I'm gonna do everything in it. So I just pour it out in this baking tray, guys. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give it a top. So you want everything on the right level. So just give it a top like that. People, you want to smell this already, and then don't go into the oven as yet, guys. Look at that. Plantain cake, guys, in Selvin Kitchen. We're always doing something new. So I pre-warmed the oven already. The oven is right there, so I'll put it on. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. Around 150. So guys, now I'm just gonna put in the cake in the oven now. I'm just gonna put a piece of file paper over it, because the file paper stop the cake from crack, nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna wrap a piece of file paper over it. I ain't gonna wrap it, seal it. Just gonna just tap it over it like that. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven for around 45 minutes. Hi guys, I just take out the cake out of the oven. I just put a piece of file paper over it because I don't want it too brown to burn on the top, and I don't want it to get cracked. So the file paper is stuck in it, so that's why you have the little spot here. So now I'm just gonna put in a knife in it, test it if it bake. Gonna sink the knife right down in the middle, and then you pull out the knife very slowly. Check on the knife like that. That cook, people. That is cook. So I'm gonna leave it there to cool off for around 40 minutes. In Selvin Kitchen, we're making plantain cake, guys. And some of you guys never heard about this recipe before. Please give me a thumbs up for this video. In Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. And if you're watching my video, guys, and you don't subscribe, if you're new over here, join the family. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell, so when I post a video, you guys will get it, because Selvin Kitchen, we always have something new coming out. I know the Christmas gone, but have a wonderful new year, everybody. Selvin Kitchen. Hi guys, this is all finished now. I just took it out the oven. This little spot in here, I put a little file paper over it, so the file paper is stuck on it a bit. So when I take it off, it pull out the little bits there. But everything is okay, everything is fine. So this is Selvin ripe plantain cake, guys. You never heard about it before. Some people never heard about it before. They say, hey, what's that? Don't make a comment till you try it, people. Guys, give me a thumbs up for this video. This video is beautiful. This cake is beautiful. I don't taste it as yet. I'm gonna let it cool for around 2 hours before I cut it. Selvin Kitchen, we always have something new doing, guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please share and like the video. Hit a notification bell, so when I post a video, you guys will get it. Selvin Kitchen, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a peaceful New Year. Please keep safe. Selvin Kitchen, guys. Guys, this is all finished. This is nice and cool. This is my ripe plantain cake, guy. Look on it, people. Smells so delicious already, and I don't even taste it as it, people. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look at the texture of it. Let me feel it. Look at that, people. Spongy, nice and soft right on the edge, nice and brown, nice color. Look at that, people. That's beautiful, beautiful. So give me a thumbs up for this video, people. Please share and like the video. Please send me a comment. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new, people. Look at that, that's beautiful. And please share this video with your friends and family. A lot of people never heard about plantain cake before. This is beautiful, people, beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna cut it now so it look like inside. I'm just gonna put the knife, I'm gonna cut a slice. It's not too cool as yet, not 100%. Been cooling for the last 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna take a slice out of it to check the texture of it, check what the inside of it look like. Run the edge of it nice and crispy, nice and brown. Just gonna take out a slice out. So that slice look like. Oh, I can see the steam still flying out of it, people. Still hot. Look at that. Nice texture inside, nice and spongy. Not too dry, not too soft. Nice. And I'll let this cool down a bit more. Right there, people. So this is a plantain cake, people. Look on this plantain cake. It is beautiful, people. Beautiful. In Selvin Kitchen, we're doing something new all the time.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you